Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by Toy Island Fun. Here we have a Hello Kitty Best Friends mini doll. So here we have Hello Kitty, Joey the mouse, a mini doll for Hello Kitty, an apple, a lunchbox, a backpack clip, and a special surprise from Hello Kitty inside. So we have the backpack clip, Hello Kitty. She has her pink bow, a blue dress, and her dress has a little Joey the mouse, pink shoes, and pink socks. Let's see what else we have. We have a little lunchbox. An apple for our lunchbox. Joey the mouse, and a little mini Hello Kitty. Now let's see what's inside the Hello Kitty surprise. And it says, from Hello Kitty. It's a shiny little Hello Kitty figurine. What kind of videos would you like to see next? Please comment below. Now let's put the backpack clip on Hello Kitty. Okay, we put our arms through. Now we have a backpack and we can put our Hello Kitty clip on the bag. Easy. Thanks for watching Toy Island Fun, and be sure to subscribe for more fun videos.